how you did with that.
If it's not my ears, it's probably not damaging.
Multiple stages.
She prefer the Merv ones.
Yeah.
The Merv.
Keep a little low.
Nice.
That was a very large one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.